Hey guys, welcome to another video, and I had some orders to package, so I thought I'd show you my process of packaging small items that cannot be bent in transit. So we have our sticker sheets and we have our 3-inch stickers, and this also works for greeting cards, postcards, or small prints. So I'm going to be packaging my little sticker sheets. I use these hang tags because when I display them at shows, that's how I package them, and I just use the same for when people order them online. Here's the little baggie. I do recommend you protect all your products in little baggies so they don't get damaged or dirty. And if I have multiple whatever products, I just stack them so they become like a neat stack. And then I'll put them on these wonderful cardboard sheets. You can get these from any shipping supply company. My products are usually 4 by 6 in size, and I give myself 1-inch breathing room, so my cardboard sheets are 5 by 7 in size. And the way I secure my cardboard sheets on is I get these washi tape strips. And I love washi tape because 1, it's easy to remove by the buyer, and 2, they're usually super cute. And if you don't have washi tape, you can always find it online. You can find it on Amazon, Etsy, and here's how I secure them. So I'll go across one corner and then across the other corner, and this makes it very secure. Another option of securing washi tape is top and bottom. So this is how I package my stickers, my 3-inch stickers. I have a little backing and I have a little baggie, and I put the bagging in the baggie, and then I put the sticker sheet in, and it's pretty big. It's 5 by 7 in size, and I make it that big because sometimes people order a lot of stickers, and it allows it to have more breathing room, looks comfortable. And then I secure it onto the same cardboard sheet with washi tape. And since it's not as long, since it's 5 inches instead of 6 like my other one, I'll secure the top and bottom because it's just easier for me to do. You can secure it however you like and however is appealing to look at for you. Just 2 examples side by side. So it's up to you. I find them both pretty secure. I never had problems with any of them. And sometimes for buyers, I like to include little freebies in the back, and then a little card for them. And where to get these products? So I get all my products from Echo Enclosed. They're such a great company. They use recycled products almost for everything. So these are their rigid mailers, and this is what I use to put the finished sheets in. So they just tuck right in there. I don't tape them or anything, I just slip them right in. So when the buyer gets it, they just pull it right out, and there you go. So it's very easy, simple, easy to remove, easy to insert, and it keeps it extra safe with the double cardboard sheet and the rigid mailer. And then the sizing of it is just 1 inch bigger than the sheets, so it's 6 by 8. And depending on what size your product is, that's kind of the formula I recommend. 1 inch bigger for the sheets, and then 2 inch bigger for the rigid mailer than your product. And this works for greeting cards, small prints, sticker sheets, stickers, any small products that you don't want bent. Another thing I recommend doing is writing on the rigid mailers, "Do not bend, thanks." So I'll write it on the bottom, maybe on the top, and on the back. Just extra make sure that they do not bend this, just in case. You never know. And I get my bags from Echo Enclosed as well. Other recommended places are Paper Mart, clear bags. I'll put a huge list below so you can have a few options, because I know Echo Enclosed is sometimes more expensive for people who are starting out, but they are an awesome company if you eventually want to buy their products. 100% recycled material. And then I'll also put their invoice or whatever printed out for that Etsy or whatever on the back. Just so it's easy for them to access, and I'll tape it onto the cardboard sheet with washi tape as well, so they know exactly where it is and they have easy access to it. And just as an extra tidbit, these are how I package my bigger prints. So this is actually, I think it's like 16 inches. So it depends on how wide your print is, but this fits most of mine. It's 16 inches by 2 inches, and you can get this from shipping supply companies. I got this from Paperwork for Me, and you have to buy the caps separately, so don't forget to buy the caps. And then they're called like tubes or mailing tubes, something like that. They have the box versions and the tube versions. I recommend the tube versions. They cannot be smashed. The only downside is that they're gonna get it all rolled, but most people are used to that if they're buying big prints. So I just stick the mailing label on like this, and I stick it like this so they can scan it easily and they can read the label. So I don't stick it like an additional option for you guys who want to ship bigger stuff that can't really be folded or bent or stuff like that. The reason I don't recommend this strategy with the rigid mailer for bigger prints is because it's more easy to get bent the moment you start getting bigger. I probably only recommend this up until like maybe paper size. Like paper size is pushing it a little bit, but yeah, if you're going to go above 8.5 by 11, I recommend the tubes to mail out to really make sure they get it in the best quality as possible. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you in your business. And if you like our content, make sure to subscribe and click the alert bell. We have new videos every week. And if you want to know more about how I make my stickers, I have a great tutorial on how to make stickers in somewhere, link somewhere, maybe here, maybe there. But be sure to check that out if you're interested in making professional vinyl stickers from your own home.